Hey everyone, welcome back to the CopQuest YouTube channel. My name is David. I'm the manager of agency sales, and today we're going to be showing you a new product from our friends over at Safariland. It is the MSA, and for those of you who know, Safariland loves their acronyms. It stands for MOLLE Sliding Adapter. These things are fantastic, so we're going to be showing you a couple of them, but if you're interested in picking up any for yourself or want to see the full line of them, check out our website, CopQuest.com. We'll have things linked down below as well. Alright, so first up, I've got a double mag pouch, and you might be thinking, David, this looks like any other mag pouch that Safariland produces. Well, you'd be sort of right, but also wrong. And the way you're wrong is on the back here. So here's the MSA. This is the MOLLE Sliding Adapter, and as you can tell, it slides. For a little walkthrough of how to attach your pouches to your kit, first off, you're going to pull both of the MSAs up. You'll notice right here, there's some ridges. That's so that you have something to grab onto as you're pushing and pulling and setting your pouch up. So with your MSAs all the way to the top, you're going to pick whatever row you're going to have your pouch on, stick it all the way through, and then you're going to reach down here, and then on your second row of where your pouch was going to be attached, you're going to make sure you're clear and the MSA will slide into the second row. So that one's good. Now we're going to move over to the second row underneath of your second MSA and do the same thing. There we go. So now you're attached, you're nice and secure, you're not going anywhere. In addition to STX Tactical Black, you also have FDE Brown, so Flat Dark Earth, and OD Green, that's Olive Drab, available as color options for all of the various pouches in the MSA lineup. So besides the mag pouches, so like double mag pouches, you also have handcuff pouches available. There's OC pouches and some rifle pouches if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching this video on Safariland's new MSAs. If you're interested in picking up any for yourself, we're gonna have everything linked down below, or go to our website, CopQuest.com, where you can also view our entire lineup of the MSA products. So if you could, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because we are so close to 500 subscribers. We want to get to that huge milestone, and it would be enormously awesome if you guys could do that for me. So be safe, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Talk to you next time.